Hello everyone. Let us start part 3, India and the world. Dear students, in my previous videos, we have discussed about the location of India. It is located in northern hemisphere. And if we talk about its location in continent, then we are located in South Asia. India is located exactly in the center of East and West Asia. Let's have a look on the map. This is the map of Asia. India is located exactly in the center of this is East Asia and this is West Asia. The routes across the Indian Ocean, which connect the countries of East and West Asia, provide a strategic central location to India. Let us see how. You are seeing this map of Asia, and blue dotted lines are showing the sea routes. See how beautifully India is getting the strategic central position, because from the western coast it is connected with the West Asian countries, Africa and Europe, and from eastern coast it is connected with all the East Asian countries. The Deccan Peninsula, it helps India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western coast, and with the Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. Now you will ask, what is peninsula? I'll explain you. This part of India is known as peninsular India. A peninsula is a landmass who is covered by water from three sides. You are seeing here from all the three sides, this India is covered by water. So this is having the longest coastline in the Indian Ocean. As you know, on the head of Indian Ocean, no other country is having such a long coastline. That's why Indian Ocean is named behind our country, that is India. The title is justified. Due to opening of the Suez Canal in 1869, India's distance has been reduced by 7,000 kilometers. Let us see how. Before opening of Suez Canal, we used to follow this route, which was really the longest one. Suez Canal खुलने के बाद हमें फायदा ये हुआ कि ये डिस्टेंस 7,000 किलोमीटर कम हो गया. It was really a beneficial thing. अब इसके बारे में दो क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा सकते हैं. Suez Canal कब ओपन की गई? The answer you know it, 1869. और इसके खोलने के बाद कितना डिस्टेंस रिड्यूस हुआ? 7,000 kilometers. You are clear about that. हम जानते हैं कि भारत में प्राचीन काल से बहुत लोग नॉर्थ से और हिमालय के पासेस को क्रॉस कर कर इंडिया आए. उन लोगों के आने से दो बहुत अच्छी बातें हुई. जब वो इंडिया आए, उन्होंने हमारे आइडियाज, हमारी ट्रेडिशन, हमारे कल्चर को देखा, परखा, सराहा और पूरे वर्ल्ड के साथ बांटा. हमने बहुत सारी चीजें एक्सचेंज की. Let us see what we exchanged with the whole world. We exchanged our ideas through Upanishads, Ramayana, and the stories of Panchatantra. And we gave to the whole world the numerals, the number system, and the decimal system. Do you remember Aryabhatta was a great teacher? He was a great scholar. He was having immense knowledge of mathematics. He told us about the sun is always in the center of the planet system and they revolves around it. He used for the first time zero in the decimal system. This all he gave to the whole world. And certain merchandise were sent to the whole world, like spices and muslin cloth. It is a kind of fabric which was produced in India only. Britishers were there, they came to India, they were introduced to the spices of India. They liked it very much and they took the whole spices to the West. So this way our things were spreaded in the whole world. And what we learned from the world? That is the first, the Greek sculpture and architectural style. The style of dome we adopted from Greece, and the minaret style we adopted from West Asia. So this way, beautiful exchange happened between different countries because of the India's location in the center of Asia. I hope you are clear with this part 3. Stay tuned for part 4, and if you liked it, kindly share it and subscribe it. Thank you very much.